Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Scorpio, water sign. This is April weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Scorpio, what are the messages for you and what's going on? What's going, Scorpio? Under the deck, Hermit and Ten of Swords. Right now, you are not talking with anyone. You are undergoing some spiritual awakening. You isolated from all. And Ten of Swords, you are in so much pain. You want to heal yourself. Yes, that's why you are not talking to anyone right now, Scorpio. So and the person involved in this connection could be especially Sagittarius and Virgo. So recent past, Three of Cups, the World and Ace of Pentacles. This could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. I think for some third party situation involved in this connection, there is no commitment in this relationship. But you want commitment. That is one case. And another case, in past everything is okay between you and your person. You both are happy, but there was something happened between you and your person. Some family issues. There was something. Then present, Nine of Pentacles, Nine of Swords and Six of Pentacles. I think there is no equal give and take in this connection. It causing a lot of anxiety and depression in you, especially Scorpio, Nine of Swords energy. You are getting a lot of thoughts regarding your person, regarding this connection. Because for some it is on and off connection also. They are not available to you emotionally when you need them especially. So there is no equal give and take. And Nine of Pentacles. So you started focusing on your career. Maybe for some your person very career focused. They always focusing on their career. Not giving any priority to you. For some you fed up with this energy. For some they keep putting on you waiting mode for calls and messages. So that's why you started focusing on your career. Nine of Pentacles. You decided to focus on your self growth, on your abundance. Scorpio. That is very very good. And future, High Priestess, Queen of Swords and Temperance. So you decided to set boundaries. You deserve best, you want best. So if you don't offer what I want, then I will cut off you from my life. This is your boundary. Yes, you will set boundaries to your person. If they will come again in your life, they have to give what you want. You want marriage, you want commitment. You are setting boundaries. Now, and this High Priestess, you are listening to your higher self. You started listening to your higher self and trusting your intuition. And Temperance, you are working on yourself and you want to restore balance within you, especially within you. Now you are taking your control back. You are no more dependent on anyone, either emotionally or financially. You are focusing on yourself, focusing on your self-growth. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Sagittarius and Virgo. So let's see their intentions and feelings. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. So first we will see their feelings towards you, Scorpio. Their feelings towards you. Okay, first card. Wheel of Fortune. Okay, Ace of Wands. Cards are just jumping. Five of Wands and Knight of Swords under the deck. Definitely there is a lot of drama going between you and your person. For some, you have more than one person. They will fight for your attention. And Wheel of Fortune, Ace of Wands and Seven of Wands. They're still attracted to you. They will fight for your attention. Seven of Wands and Wheel of Fortune. Maybe your person waiting for the right time to approach you, because you already set boundaries. Now you're focusing on yourself. Maybe they're scared for the rejection. Maybe if they approach you, you may reject them. Maybe they're scared about that rejection. But they are waiting for the right time, Wheel of Fortune, and they will fight for your love. So let's see their intentions, their feelings. So now we will see their intentions. Six of Swords, Four of Pentacles, Ten of Swords and Queen of Swords and the Chariot. So see, yes, there is some communication. They will try to communicate with you to fix the things between both of you, but they are in very slow moving energy. And the person involved in this connection could be Cancer, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius or Cancer. But they're scared. Maybe you will reject them because Four of Pentacles is here and Six of Swords. This could be long distance relationship and Ten of Swords. They are very sad and they still want rebirth in this connection. Maybe they are holding back right now for some, because they feeling that this is not a right time. They scared for the rejection I'm getting. That's why the Wheel of Fortune, they are waiting for the right time. Yes, I think they're thinking about to take action towards you but not executing their plan right now. Yes, they're taking their time, to be honest. Yes, they're taking their time. Maybe in near future they will make a move towards you, but they're thinking about you. They still want rebirth in this connection. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. So Two of Cups. I think this love is mutual. Two of Cups, Hangman, Page of Swords and Six of Cups. So your person thinking that you are their soulmate. They're stuck on you. They're thinking about you. They can't let you go easily. And I think you may be spying on them social media. Maybe you are waiting for them to reach out. And Six of Cups. Definitely you both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other. And yes, there will be reconciliation for some in near future. But it will take some time, because right now under the deck Hermit. You both are not in contact. Yes, this is a strong soulmate connection. Yes, your person will take some time. And Four of Wands with Queen of Wands. Definitely this celebration will come. But again I am saying it will take some time. Right now they are holding back. Maybe they are waiting for the right time. But this love is mutual. You both thinking about each other a lot. You both stuck on. You both are in each other minds 24/7. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see your overall energy, Scorpio, for the week. Yes, you are focusing on yourself. Maybe you are juggling. You are waiting for your person to reach out to you. And Queen of Pentacles, there is a lot of abundance is coming. And Four of Cups, you are feeling sad for the missed opportunity with your person. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. They want second chances with you. Page of Pentacles, maybe your person is immature. For some, children's also involved in this connection. And they want to say apology to you. Communication. Page of Wands, for some age difference between both of you, one person in this connection is very good looking. I think they want to communicate with you. Definitely for some you will receive unexpected communication from your person, and first they want to test the water before coming towards you. They will send text, hi, how are you, like that. So because Page of Swords spying is going, yes, they will holding back right now, but in near future they will make a move. So let's see some messages for you from Moon Oracle deck, Scorpio. But you are focusing on yourself. Don't let pride get in your way. Full Moon in Leo. So if they will, when they will come back, maybe it will take some time, but when the time they will approach you, don't let pride get in your way. Talk with them politely and be with them in friendly nature, because for some ego issues also sometimes relationship will go away. So don't let pride get in your way, especially full moon in Leo. This is the message for you. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.